Pollination. Pollination is the movement of pollen from the stamen of a flower to the stigma of the same kind of flower. There are two main ways that pollen is moved like this: by insects or by wind. Pollination by insects. Have you noticed bees, butterflies, and other insects on flowers? These insects are called pollinators. Certain insects are attracted to certain types of flowers. For example, butterflies like to visit flowers that are big and have lots of nectar, a sweet liquid. When the insects fly into the flower to feed on nectar inside the flower, they brush against the anthers. Pollen grains from the anthers stick to the insect's body. The insect carries the pollen to the stigma of the same flower or another flower. Flowers pollinated by insects are adapted to attract pollinators in the following ways. They are white or have brightly colored petals. They have a scent. They produce nectar. They have marks on the petals to guide the insects to the nectar inside the flower. Pollination by wind. In wind pollination, the pollen blows in the wind from the anthers to the stigmas of the other flowers. Grass, rice, and cornflowers are wind pollinated. Flowers pollinated by wind have these adaptations. The petals are small and not brightly colored. They do not have a scent or nectar. They make lots of smooth, light pollen grains that blow away easily. Why must flowers be pollinated? Plants reproduce by making seeds. The pollen and egg join to make seeds in a process called fertilization. Pollination brings pollen from the male anther to the female stigma. This allows the eggs to be fertilized and seeds to form. Fertilization happens in the flower's ovary. Fertilization only happens if the pollen and the eggs are from the same kind of flower. After the egg is fertilized, the petals and stamens of the flower die. The ovary grows and becomes the fruit. Seeds form inside the fruit. The fruit protects the seed and helps to spread them. Look at the picture. Flower, sepal. Fruit forms from ovary of flower. Mature fruit. Question answers. Why do flowers pollinated by insects have brightly colored, scented petals and nectar? Answer is to attract insects for pollination. Number 2. Why do flowers pollinated by wind have little color, no petals or scent? Answer is they don't need to attract insects. B part. Why do flowers pollinated by wind produce lots of dry pollen? The answer is to increase chances of pollen reaching other flowers via wind. Question number 3. How does pollination help the plant reproduce? Answer. It transfers pollen to the stigma, enabling fertilization and seed production. Question number 4. Explain how pollination is different from fertilization. Answer. Pollination is the transfer of pollen. Fertilization is the fission of gametes. Question number 5. Part A. Which part of the flower forms the fruit? Answer is the ovary. Part B. What are the functions of the fruit? To protect seeds and aid in their dispersal. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we will explore topic 1.3. Until then, keep learning. Allah Hafiz.